In today's video, we're going to give you a little overview of USGA Rule 9, which is play the ball as it lies, ball at rest, lifted, or moved. 9.1 talks about none other than play the ball as it lies. Obviously, we want to play the ball as it lies, but there are certain circumstances, certain exceptions that will allow us to either move the ball or play it from a different position. So Rule 9.1 will kind of cover a couple of those circumstances. Now, 9.2 is going to talk about deciding whether the ball moved and what caused the ball to move. So there's 4 possible causes, which are natural forces such as wind and water, or the player, including the player's caddy, or the opponent in match play, including the opponent's caddy, or an outside influence, including any other player in stroke play. 9.3 is going to talk about ball moved by natural forces. So what happens if the ball is moved by the wind or water? There's no penalty and the ball must be placed into its correct spot. Now we'll talk about a couple other situations and what happens if you don't follow the rules there. So check that out under 9.3. 9.4 talks about ball lifted or moved by the player. Now it talks about how there's certain circumstances that will allow you to lift and move your ball and replace it. And then there's also going to talk about the penalties if you don't follow suit correctly or if you do pick it up or move it. Now 9.5 talks about lifted or moved by the opponent in match play. So when lifted or moved, ball must be replaced. Penalty for lifting or deliberately touching or causing the ball to move. It just kind of covers everything you need to know if somebody else touches your ball during match play. 9.6 talks about ball lifted or moved by outside influence. So this could be any other player in stroke play. Now one interesting little side note there is if the ball is known or virtually certain that the ball was lifted or moved by an outside influence and the ball is lost, then the player must take stroke and distance relief under Rule 18.2. 9.7 talks about ball marker lift or moved. Now, if the ball marker is accidentally moved, you can place it back to its original position with no penalty whatsoever, but there are certain circumstances that will result in a penalty under that rule. So I hope this video helped you understand Rule 9 a little bit better. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.